To fix the can't set up the recorder now, please try again later either on WhatsApp. For Android, follow these steps to resolve microphone and permissions related issues. First, restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot clears temporary bugs and background app conflicts that may be interfering with WhatsApp's microphone access. Next, check your microphone permission settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps, then WhatsApp, then Permissions, and make sure the microphone permission is enabled. If it's denied, WhatsApp will not be able to record audio messages or voice notes. If the issue still persists, go back to Settings, then Apps, App Management again, WhatsApp, then Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. This removes any corrupted temporary files that may be causing the recorder to malfunction. Also, make sure no other apps like screen recorders, Google Assistant, or call recorders are using the microphone in the background. These can block WhatsApp from accessing it properly. Finally, check for updates in the Google Play Store to ensure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Updates often fix bugs and improve compatibility with newer Android versions. After following these steps, try using the voice recorder in WhatsApp again. If this was helpful, be sure to share the solution and subscribe for more Android fixes.